Welcome to John's Workshop Diary. A quick tour around my new workshop. There's the lathe that I'm still getting all working. Needs a belt and a few other bits and bobs. Bench grinder, which is all working. And my tools, or some of them. A big toolbox. This is my computer area, which I'll be doing little bits and for looking up information on the computer. Here's the inverter, but it ain't all connected to the solar panel yet. It's haven't got the solar panels yet, so they've got to be all connected up. Just storage, that's where the batteries will be, under there. And just all storage under the bench. My welder. And one of the workbenches. Some more tools. My charging station for my Makita. And basically that's all there is at the moment, but we will be starting some new projects in here shortly. So there you go, that's a quick tour around my workshop. Just been set up.